How to make a document view only in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and find the document you want to share. Once your document is open, tap on the share icon at the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a person with a plus sign or may just say share. Next, you will see a section that says add people or groups. Tap on it and type the email address of the person you want to share the document with. Once you have added or selected the person, tap on the permission drop-down below their name and change it from editor or commenter to viewer. This makes sure they can only view the document and can't make any changes. You can also add a message if you like. This part is optional, but it's useful if you want to include a note explaining why you are sharing the document. After that, tap the send icon. The person will receive an email with a link that gives them view-only access to the document. If you prefer to create a shareable link instead, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Manage Access. Under the General Access section, choose Anyone with the link. Then, change the permission from editor or commenter to viewer. Finally, copy the link and send it to anyone you want to give view-only access to. And that's it. Now you know how to make a document view only in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.